Hello guys and welcome to Manor Education. So this is an important video regarding all the Law CET 3 years aspirants. Guys, yesterday there was an update that your admit card was supposed to be out yesterday 9:30 p.m. but there's a slight change in the program. If you visit the official website CET cell, if you click on the CET portal examination, scroll down and click on Law 3 years portal. So you can see over here that the admit card for Maharashtra LLB 3-year CET 2023 will be made available for downloading by 1 p.m. today, which is 29th of April. So it was supposed to be out yesterday at 9:30 p.m. but it has been delayed for some reasons and it will be available for downloading by 1 p.m. today. So keep checking the official website for the admit card. By 1 p.m. it should be out and then you can log in with your credentials and download the admit card and go through the instructions, guys. So share this video to all your friends, those who are desperately waiting for the admit card to be out so that they can be updated with this latest update. And with regards to your preparations, guys, head to the official website manuaredu.com, click on buy online, click on law entrance, scroll down. So you have to check these two tabs, the sectional courses as well as the mock test. We'll go with the sectional course first. Click on show package, scroll down. So you can check out the English, legal aptitude, GK and current affairs, verbal and critical reasoning, logical reasoning, elementary maths and cons. Pick any of this sectional course as per your strength and weakness and start going through it as soon as possible, guys. And the very important thing, as today is 29th of April, you have your exam on 2nd of May. So only 2 to 3 days remaining in your hands for the preparation. So guys, give as many mock tests as possible. So click on mock test, scroll down. You have to check this tab, Law CET 3 years, sectional test as well as the full length test, in which you get 8 sectional plus 20 full length. And if you scroll down, you get 10 full length mock test as well. Give as many mock tests as possible before going to your actual examination, because mock test is the only gateway to get into any of the top law colleges for your career. So this was the quick update from my side, guys. Share this video to all your friends so that they can be updated with the latest update. Don't forget to download your admit card by 1 p.m. today. All the very best to all the aspirants, those who are participating in this year's examination. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Until then, see you in the next video.